Mm. So usually, ang ice carving ay decorative item lang sa mga occasion. So usually, ang venue ng occasion malalamig, kaya matagal silang matunaw. So nakaano lang siya doon, naka-display, decorative item para doon sa venue ng mga occasion. Kasi yung mga ganyan ay hindi nyo makikita sa market. So kung kailangan nyo ng artist, i-hire nyo sila. Tapos, ang babayaran nyo doon, yung kanilang transport, saka yung yan yung gagamitin nyo. Contest, carving contest? Yes, we have. So every third week of September, we have Paete Okitaka Festival. So it's just a carving competition. One time we have fruit carving competition. All participants, they have blindfolds while they are carving the
Iceberg.
fruits.
This ice.
So just imagine how difficult doing fruit carving with blindfolds. Okay, dinidetail na niya yung mukha ng Indian head. So parang naka-side view siya. So nagdidetalye na siya. So parang nakahiga siya eh. Ito yung mukha niya. Didetalye niya yung mukha.
Sir, I have a question.
What are they making?
He doing Indian head. You know the Indian head? Just imagine this is a face.
Oh my.
Look at this.
Wow.
The face of the Indian. So
Go be quiet. This is 20 minutes.
Indian head with headdress feather.
Cruel Angels.
That looks awesome. Discuss it. Make it remove icebergs.
What?
Mix something with that. Look at everyone. Look at that thing.
Do you know who can that be?
Yeah, the randomized character.
It's the angel. Hey Max. It's an angel. That's correct. We're not at a zoo.
That's not angel.
It is.
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know how to do wood carving. Oh,
Go back.
move back, everyone. They're gonna freeze us to death.
No.
Ah,
It's okay.
what's going on? Not the sniper. Not the zoom. Who can that be? It's a train. Lunch. What's this?
Okay na? So, this is the Indian head. Ito yung harapan.
It's the
So,
Statue of
you see the
Liberty.
face, the feather headdress, yung likod. This is the back. So, pakiprepare na yung protein vegetable. Kasi siyempre, hindi tulungan mo ako tanggalin ito. So, iwanan na natin itong yellow dito. So, bilang side na lang. Okay, mamaya tayo mag-photo op pag okay, yan yung Indian face.